everyone, it's Mark with M2M Detail. In this video, guys, we're going to be doing paint protection film on the door jamb right here where the door step is. So pretty much you're not going to get that scuff anymore or scratch your paint up when you get in and out of the vehicle or someone else gets in your vehicle. And we're also going to be throwing a little TRD Pro logo. Just cut it off the plotter real quick. Thought that'd be a cool little touch under the PPF. So we'll knock that out. And for the PPF, it's 4 inch by 2 feet almost. It's like 23 inches. Cut these off the plotter as well. Very simple, guys. Normally we do them by hand. Just because this one's so big and so easy to do, we're just gonna cut them on the plotter like we did. But okay, guys, so let's get straight into the video. We're using a 2020 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro in my truck, and we'll get this laid on. I'm gonna lay the stickers out real quick. You guys probably don't want to watch that, so I'm gonna put the stickers on real quick, and then we'll get into the PPFing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. I really appreciate it. We're almost at that 1,000 mark. Yeah. So let's get there. All right, guys, let's get into the video. So let's go over the tools we're going to be using for the PPF install. We got baby shampoo for the slip solution, hot water for our tack solution. We really want to make sure we get a lot of tack around the vinyl sticker, or you'd be left with a little air gap around the sticker. So make sure you guys are doing a good tack solution as you apply the PPF on top of a logo. If you're doing just on paint, you guys already know, just put the slip in there, tack, and just squeegee out and you're good to go. We're going to be doing the PPF, using the PPF Hornet. We got the 3M, we got the Pink Turbo, Pink Clean, and then for the final one, we're going to be using the Geek Wrap. This is going to be our finish install. Make sure all the edges are nice and dry, no slip solution or tack solution left behind. Also got the heat gun to help speed up the drying process. But all right, guys, let's get into it. All right, guys, let's get this one done. It's pretty much clean. We'll just do a spray down, make sure all the dust and debris all falls out. Always, guys, when you're about to do PPF, make sure you guys are washing your hands. Can't tell you enough. You don't want to get no debris. There we go. Get that nice and wet. Let it run down off the paint. So any type of debris will be gone now. All right, so that looks good. All right, guys, so same step. We're just going to rinse it out real quick. They're pretty clean because I prepped them with alcohol for the sticker. So they're not too bad. All right. That looks good. Let's grab our PPF, guys. Get our hand a little bit wet. All right, so now we're going to check placement where we want it. So that looks good. So we'll go with this placement. Now we're going to tack down about a quarter of it right here. Some hot water, still some slip on the outside. There we go. Got that. All right, guys, so that's nice and tacked. With the solution right there, no big deal. So let's get this area tacked. using very firm pressure right here, guys, over the stickers. We want to make sure we don't leave any air behind, or the best we can. Which it looks like it's coming out really good. So there we go. Now let's finish on tacking up the top. Alright guys, so now we're going to work on this curve real quick. So we'll get some hot wire in there, do a little bit on top too, relax the film, and then we'll work it down again. So we're not trying to go all the way down. Kind of just want to lock in that corner a little bit. Just do one more little corner squeegee. There we go. Now let's finish on locking it all the way down. Okay, throw a little bit of slip, and let's see. Okay, we got a little bit more up here. Got a little air bubble, so we gotta get that out. All right. Okay, so now let's squeegee the whole thing real quick. Make sure everything looks good. There we go. Remember guys, you gotta use some pressure. Okay, we'll wipe it down. Okay, get our blower. Okay, let's move on to the next one. All right, guys, I appreciate you watching. I know it took a little bit of time, did some cutting for you guys, but it's kind of hard to put them over vinyl stickers. It just catches that edge, so you really got to make sure you tack it down, or the next day you're going to be dealing with a lot of air around them, which is not too bad, but you don't want that because then you get distortion when you push them down after it's dry. But all right, guys, thank you for watching. Please check out the other videos we have on the channel. As always, Mark out.